I've got this foldable sack truck here from Stanley. It's 3.1 kilos, so it's dead light, dead compact. It's dead easy to hold with the rubberized handle here. Now, to fold the thing out, it's a simple case. I press that lever there, pull up the handle, then you just pull down the platform, out come the wheels. The wheels are 127mm, so the whole truck is capable of carrying up to 60 kilos in weight. And as you can see, the reasonably long handle there, you can start piling things up as much as you want, up to 60 kilos. So that's the folding sack truck here from Stanley. It's a nice little product. Simple as that, off you go.